Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your affiliate marketing with ShareASale, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by creating an account on ShareASale. Visit the ShareASale website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill out the required information, including your personal and business details. Wait for an email confirmation to verify your account. Once confirmed, log into your ShareASale account. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with its features. Next, browse the available affiliate programs. Use the search bar to find specific niches or categories you are interested in. Consider joining programs that are relevant to your audience. Click on the Join Program button for programs you wish to promote. Review each program's terms and conditions before applying. Once your requests are approved, access your unique affiliate links. Navigate to the Links section within your account. Copy your affiliate links for the products you want to promote. Now it's time to create engaging content. Identify platforms where you will promote these links, such as a blog or social media. Craft high-quality articles or posts highlighting the benefits of the products. Incorporate your affiliate links naturally within your content. Next, optimize your content for search engines. Use relevant keywords to improve your visibility online. Promote your content through various channels. Share it on social media, in email newsletters, or within online communities. Analyze your traffic to see which strategies are most effective. Utilize ShareASale's reporting tools to track your earnings and performance. Make adjustments to your strategy based on the data you collect. Continuously test different products and content types. Stay updated with industry trends to keep your strategy fresh. Engage with other affiliates in the ShareASale community for additional insights. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.